5 major African tribes that were taken away during slavery. During the period of slavery, numerous African tribes and ethnic groups were forcibly taken from their homelands and transported to various regions of the Americas. Here are 5 major tribes or ethnic groups that were significantly impacted by the transatlantic slave trade. Yoruba. The Yoruba people are an ethnic group primarily located in present-day Nigeria, Benin, and Togo. They were among the largest ethnic groups taken during the transatlantic slave trade and played a significant role in shaping African diaspora cultures, particularly in the Americas and the Caribbean. Igbo. The Igbo people are an ethnic group from southeastern Nigeria. They were heavily affected by the slave trade and many Igbo individuals were transported to the Americas, particularly to countries such as Jamaica, Cuba, and the United States. The Igbo culture and traditions have also